Well, you know, that thing has been sitting there for about a month. I guess I ought to do something with it, huh? What is it? Yeah. Name says it all right there. It's a retractable hose reel made by Giraffe Tools. And a buddy of mine,
Hi.
it was installed at his place, and then one day he went to go pull on the hose, and, well, let's see if I can make it happen right now. You pull on the hose, and it's supposed to stop, right? And then you could do the hose thing. Well, this one doesn't stop. So something inside isn't stopping. I guess I ought to take it apart, see if I can fix it.
We got the pond again.
15 minutes later.
All right, let's get this stupid thing out of here. Drag this through the stinking house. Probably shouldn't be doing it this way. Door. All right. Turn that all off. Here we go. Yeah, all right. Finally stopped. Yeah, it was coming down pretty good earlier. You saw almost, well, as of right now, I think there is about 2 inches of rain. Another inch came down. That was enough to fill TSG Pond. Lake TSG. What are we calling this thing?
We got the pond again.
Get this thing in here. Okay, we're gonna tear it apart. Yeah, let's check on this here. Huh? It doesn't look bad. Yeah, with all that rain, I wonder if this thing got ruined even more. The no mousies in the trap. All right, let's go back in. One thing at a time. Let's get this thing open. There's like mud wasps and everything in the holes. There. So you kind of like that there. So all the stupid. Yeah. Oh my God. All right. It's gonna take me a minute. My hope is they are. Oh my gosh, they are not. I can't get in there with this. Let's take your standard old screwdriver. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe it's this way. Yeah, maybe it comes off this way.
It pulls at my soul, it sets me free from the valley low to the high pine tree. The mountain wind calls, oh, yodelay.
You know what? Maybe I'll just take it outside and drop it a few times. That might jostle things around enough. I'm looking inside some of these screw holes, and I'm not seeing Phillips anywhere. That's really what's got me going here. They might be. It could just be so filled with mud wasp stuff. Oh, did I have water? Oh, water. I have water. Where'd water come from? Oh, yeah. I guess the hose. Oh, I guess there's Phillips in here. All right. I got water all over my workbench. I got to vacuum it up now. I am going to throw this outside and see what happens. It's not working, so what do I got to lose, right?
Don't speak, but they still sing of love and loss of everything. Oh, the mountain wind calls, oh, yodelay. pulls at my soul, it sets me free.
Yeah, what a pain this is. I don't even know if this is even worth it. So you may be wondering, I don't know if you've seen this in the last few episodes. These Japanese copper sink strainers, I have them for a reason, and I'll get to them, just not yet. So you may want to stay tuned as to what these are for and why I have, I don't know, 12 of them here. If you think you might know, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your ideas of why I bought these. You know, it might be kind of interesting. See all the goofy things people come up with. And then I still have this. This is like, that's going in the garbage. This still kind of works. I'm not sure what to do with it. Look, I'm having a time of life that is, I don't care. I just don't care anymore. Stuff is in the way. I'm gonna toss it. I'm in that mode. I should be able to just kind of leave all that there. No one ever comes in here. I'll deal with this later. I'm gonna go in and take a nap. But before I do, I kind of do want to see how this all worked out. Let's just make sure there's like a ton of water in there, you know? Come on, man, open up. Just open up. It's not too bad. Doesn't seem like there's water in there. Let's. Can you see what I'm doing? I can't see it. Come on, man. All right, got the memory stick. Let's go see what's on it. Wow, you see the date on that? That's a future video, one that hasn't even happened yet. It's December 31st, 2097. Let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, they're crawling all over the thing and not setting the trap. I don't believe it. There's like a little family. Aw, isn't that cute? Aren't they just like simply adorable? No, I want to kill every single one of them. Okay, there's definitely a problem. This one's from the past. It's 1970. Well, that's probably why. It's an old style trap. He just walked across that thing and it didn't get set off. Oh my gosh. There's kids next door just screaming at each other. That's what I got to live with around here. All right, I'm gonna go put this back. Well, blast. I gotta turn it on, set it for, is it here or not? Yeah, okay, I guess it did. I'm gonna get a stick, because the little mousey, I guess it works, but the mousey was probably too small. Okay. The mousey was just too small. I think it's time for a nap. I'll attack that hose tomorrow.
Oh, the mountain wind calls, oh, yodelay. It pulls at my soul, it sets me free. From the valley low to the high pine tree, the mountain wind calls, oh, yodelay.